Trixie, a young musician who fell in love with the character of Piolo as Gino, the lead vocalist of a popular band. Very memorable ang scene sa Batangas because dito ginawa ang music camp kung saan unang nag-meet ang characters namin.
Next scene is back at the beach. I'm sure it's during the time when Sarah is doing her performance.
1, 2, 3, and...
Gusto mo pa bang sabihin?
May mga original, may mga covers. So, halo sila.
Huwag na huwag mong sasabihin na hindi mo na naman itong pag-ibig kong handang ibigay kahit pa kalayan mo.
Isa ko sa mga parang mentor dun sa music camp na pinasukan ni Sarah, ni Trixie. Kami yung role lang ako dito, oo, para kay Sarah, saka si Piolo. Siyempre, mga kaibigan ko naman itong mga to. Especially si Sarah, favorite ko yan.
And cut. Good.
Magaling siya. Kasi magaling talaga siya. She's so blessed kasi mabait siyang tao. Napaka-masayahin niyang bata, saka sincere siya. Yan. Kaya the moment they asked me to have a cameo role here, sabi ko, sure!
Passion.
Hi, Trixie. I like how your voice is raw and it's not sure. It adds something to the layer of soul to your voice. It's so pure and sincere, and I'm looking forward to seeing you grow in this.
Nag-advise kami sa kanya, na nag-comment kami sa niya, doon sa singing niya. Gano'n, yung pala na nakuna namin. Pero, it went well.
Action.
The challenge has been exercising for you to make some
Ako, sobra akong tuwang-tuwa. Kasi, ang galing ng powers talaga ni Direk Dan eh. Yung mga artists sa hinahangaan natin sa Pinoy rock music scene, hindi mo aakalain na papasukin nila yung ganitong klaseng proyekto na kiling. Dahil naging labas talaga nung eksena na yun, legit talaga. Diba?
Siyempre, excited ako kasi first time to diba? Piolo na, tapos Sarah pa. So, I'm sure that a lot of people would be looking forward and seeing them together sa movie.
First scenes namin together, few scenes talagang hindi ako makapaniwala eh. Parang, totoo ba nangyayari to? Pag si Piolo nasa harap ko, hindi na sa TV, hindi na nakikita lang sa asag, kundi ka-eksena ko talaga. At yung eksenang ginagawa namin, we are a couple, diba? Boyfriend-girlfriend. So, naging mahirap, sobrang mahirap para sa akin. Tignan ko lang siya, titigan lang niya ako, napakahirap na sa akin. Pero dahil trabaho ito at kailangan natin maging professional, na-overcome naman eventually yung intimidation, yung kaba, yung kilig na sobrang, ewan ko ba, hindi talaga maipaliwanag yung magic ng mga mata ni Papa P.
Just had us sing by the beach in the camp around the bonfire.
May chemistry sila. Very professional sa trabaho nila.
Sarah and Piolo, I was excited because of course it's a first tandem. It's the first time that they're going to be teamed up together, and you know, Piolo, Sarah, like I was just overjoyed basically.
Ayan, good. Good job.